Ramon?
That's my middle name.
All right. So we're talking about piecework. Piecework is money a worker receives for each item of work completed. We just talked that total pay is the rate per item times the number produced. Our buddy Ramon Hernandez silkscreen prints for a local artist who pays $4 for each print he completes. Last week he silkscreened 75 prints. This week he completed 71. What is his pay each week? So we take the $4 times the 75 he made. And when we do that in our calculator, he gets $300. Okay, so this for the second week, he still gets $4 an hour. So $4 per item. He makes 71 items, so he makes $284. It just wanted the pay each week. I wouldn't put it past them to ask you to add the 2 weeks together and find the total pay for the 2 weeks. Okay, we're going to take a moment, and you guys are going to find the total pay. If we make 140 items, and it's $3.20 per item, and then 1,494 items, if it's 15 cents per item. All right, so the answer is 3.20 times 140 equals 448. Okay, so 0.15 times 1494 is $224.10. All right, so this next section we're going to talk about is section 1.5, which is called salary. This is what I get paid. So salary as a teacher, that's what I get. It's a fixed amount of money that you earn on a regular basis. Your salary may be paid weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Go ahead and underline those items. This is the hardest part of this section. The hardest thing to remember, how many weeks are in a year, how many, what bi-monthly or semi-monthly and bi-weekly mean. So your salary per pay period is your annual salary divided by the number of pay periods per year. I have to do this calculation to make sure that my paycheck is correct. All right, so we're going to look at the time period. So you guys have to write this down. Time, and then the number of these per year. I'll give you guys a moment to write. So we're going to look at time frames and how many of these there are per year. So days, daily. So when you see the word daily, even though that is the name of my eldest child, it means 365 days per year. You have to write this chart down. If you don't, you'll end up writing it over and over and over again. Write it once and use it, or write it every time we do a salary activity. By the way, we're going to use this when we calculate medical insurance costs, tax rates, all that shenanigans. All right, so there are 52 weeks. So when you see the word weekly, there are 52 of those per year. So we are looking at what we're going to fill this spot with. So we'll take our annual salary. If we're figuring out how much I make per day, we divide it by 365. If I want to know how much I make a week, we put 52 there. Bi-weekly is every other week. If there are 52 weeks in a year, then there are half as many every other weeks in a year. So half of 52 is 26. This is easily confused with semi-monthly, which is twice per month. Now here's the beauty. If you get paid bi-weekly, there's twice a year you get an extra paycheck in a month. So usually we budget for the month. I pay my mortgage every month. I pay my water bill every other month. I pay my electricity bill every month. So I pay my car payment every month. So usually we budget every month. The beauty of getting paid every other week is that there's 2 extra paychecks. So it's like bonus money. When Mitch was working for the county in human resources, he got paid bi-weekly. So there was, when we got that extra paycheck in the month, we would put it away for our vacation fund. So semi-monthly is 24 because there are 12 months in a year. If you get paid twice each month, then that would mean 12 times 2 is 24. And then months, there are 12 months in a year. If you do not know that, I'm not sure there's anything I can help you with in life. Okay, so I'm going to take a pause, make sure everybody has this written down because this is super important information. All right, so let's see how to calculate. We got our friend Tom here. Tom Costello is a website designer. His annual salary is $67,400. What is his monthly salary and what is his weekly salary? So to figure out the salary per month, we're going to take the $67,400 and divide it by 12. That's an easy calculation. Please double check that your calculator is functioning correctly. 67,400 divided by 12. And we get $55,616.67. Please pay people correctly. Remember, if we're going to round, we round to the nearest penny. And then we do that to calculate for the week. We do that same calculation, except we divide by 52. So 67,400 divided by 52. So each week he should be making $1,296.15. And just in case you didn't know, you take 67,400 divide by 52 equals, and then you got that decimal. This is a divide. Hold on. So this is a divide sign. This is an equal sign. So in your calculator, you divide by 52, and it's equal. That's if you can't remember that a fraction means division. All right, we're going to take a moment and answer our check problems, concept check problems. We're going to find biweekly salary, and we're going to find our semi-monthly salary. Hi, boys. So when we divide 42,900 by our 26 biweekly scale, what do we get? 1,650 is correct. All right, let's see. Let's pick our next student.
Like 12.
22. So 22
That's not 26.
is Trent. Trent, when I divide 18,200, what's my number, semi-monthly? By 24, what do we get?
Get 758 by 30 cents.
$758.33. Correct.